Welcome back to Napoleon Hill Motivation. In today's second episode, we dive deep into a powerful conversation with Napoleon Hill himself. If you've ever wondered how to go from zero to your first $100,000, this episode is for you. We're talking burning desire, belief, specialized knowledge, and the exact mindset it takes to succeed. Let's get into it. Napoleon, how does someone go from zero to their first $100,000?
It begins with desire. Not a wish, not hope, but a burning, definite desire backed by faith. You must know exactly how much money you want, when you want it, and what you'll give in return.
So clarity is the first step.
Clarity, yes, but more than that, obsession. The mind does not act on vague thoughts. It acts on clear, emotionally charged intentions.
Once someone has that desire, what's next?
You feed that desire with faith. Faith is developed through repetition, auto-suggestion. You must speak your goal aloud, daily, morning and night, with emotion, with certainty. You are training your subconscious to believe.
A lot of people don't believe in affirmations.
Then they will never see riches. The mind becomes what it is fed. If you feed it fear and doubt, you will get poverty. If you feed it purpose and belief, you will attract wealth.
What about skills? Doesn't someone need the right tools to earn?
Riches respond to specialized knowledge, not general education. Learn what pays, master it, apply it. Knowledge alone is nothing. Knowledge plus action is power.
So someone could learn copywriting, sales, content creation.
Precisely. Choose one skill. Go deep, then take daily action. Small steps with great purpose.
What role do other people play in this journey?
No man becomes rich alone. You must align with others who think in harmony. That is the mastermind principle. Two or more minds aligned create a third invisible force that multiplies success.
And decision? You emphasize that in your book.
Indecision is the enemy of progress. Decide quickly, change slowly. Wealth flows to those who act while others wait.
So, clear goal, belief, knowledge, action, and community?
And a refusal to quit. Persistence transforms failure into fuel. If your desire is real, nothing can stop you.
For the person listening, stuck in doubt, what's your final word?
Decide. Begin. Act with faith. Success is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice, backed by purpose.
That wraps up today's episode of Napoleon Hill Motivation. If today's words sparked something in you, remember, desire backed by action is the start of all achievement. Don't just listen, apply.